Okay, guys, what's up? You're not that there, my moment. We have two kinds of cookies. Mr. Beast's chocolate chip peanut butter cookies and the regular chocolate chip. This is the chocolate chip, this is the peanut butter. Whoa. We're not sponsoring Mr. Beast here yet. So, this is the regular chocolate chip. It's way darker than the other one. So, we're going to taste test them. Chocolate chip. Pretty good. 10 out of 10. Peanut butter. .5 out of 10. They're pretty good. Good job, Mr. B. They're pretty good. Like, subscribe. Baby, go subscribe to me.